All right, we have a really special basement for you. As you can see, I'm in the home theater right now, and this room is just special in so many ways. We're gonna start right here, where you see this beautiful screen with the slot wall on either side. This one is actually a heating door into your utility area. But there's more than that going on here. We got these sound panels that we custom made, the benches. Check out this ceiling. This is a star ceiling. We got LED lights. When the lights go down and the stars are lit, this just looks so special. And when you're in this theater, you actually feel like you're in a closed theater, but the truth of the matter is it's wide open to the rest of the basement. And honestly, as I'm walking out, there's even another hidden door right here. So we turned the fabric panel into a hidden door as well. But when you come back out here, you can see in this nice open area how amazing this theater really looks with the half wall right here, the LED lights, the slat wall, and you can see this is just separates the theater from the rest of the basement. So super, super special. What I really love about the location of this theater is it's just adjacent to the bar. But before we head over there, I have to show you we actually have another hidden door here. Love hiding these doors in the slat wall. They just hide so well. Now, you can see when we get into this bar area, one of my favorite features in this basement is this half moon mirror lit up with the LED lights on top of the slat wall. Just a really good transition piece in between the theater and the bar. So we have a really big bar here, about a 14-foot bar. Look at this back bar. We got LED lights hidden in there, in the floating shelves, no upper cabinets, TV right here, fit in perfectly, beautiful backsplash, very clean, sleek cabinets right here. What you notice here, or what you don't see, is all the appliances, because we have all those on this side right here. We have a microwave, refrigerator, trash straw, dishwasher, ice maker, storage cabinets. All of that is hidden, so when you're sitting at the bar or from anywhere in the basement, this just looks clean and sleek and you don't see any of that. There's some details in here too. Even the lighting, we actually recessed two pockets and hid the lighting in the pockets. And even the front of the bar, you can see once again, we have a different kind of version. This is like a scallop right here, but it's lit up. And look at that gold base. So the details here are just absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna work our way this side of the basement. Hang with me because the other side's even cooler. So over here, when you come down the stairs, we wanted to do something really special. So we always open up the stairs. We can only open it up on one side here because on the other side's a gym. We'll get to in a second. But I always want to see something special when I come down. So in this case, we decorated this wall right here. We had this little inlay, and it just feels really nice when you come down the stairs. The gym, not a big gym, but we used this smoke door to get into the gym. And you can see right here, it's just a simple gym, not much going on. We have one door into a utility closet, but it's nice with the smoke door right here. And now you just turn around and you come down these stairs and you're greeted by this bar and you're thinking like, wow, how special is this? You make your way around the corner and you get a glimpse of that theater, but then the basement just opens up right here. We got this amazing tray ceiling. It's like 4 levels, details on this. We have two different colors. We actually have a recessed pocket and just really looks cool, but yet it's not too much and over the top. Something else to take notice, in this big area that they can use for entertaining and dancing, we actually matched the inlaid black tile to the soffit. So it's really cool and it just works perfectly. Got this great fixture in the middle, and you come over here, you see we got this great outdoor entrance lit in all that natural light. And just adjacent to that, we had to put a sump pump, and we hid it in the slat wall right here as well. And what we did was created this beautiful mudroom bench with storage for shoes. I mean, look at the fabric on the wall and how nice this looks. Everything, the details. But we matched on this side another coat closet, just like that side, so it's very symmetrical. One thing I'm big on is making sure that that bathroom is close to the back door. So what we did is just adjacent from that outside entrance, we created the bathroom right here. Check out this bathroom. The lights are dimmed right now, but you got this floating vanity. Look at the mirror, similar to that half moon mirror we had over there. Look at this niche we have in the wall right here, just decorative. The shower area is fantastic. It's big, beautiful. The tile inlays, absolutely fantastic. So One of the things we also did here was we custom built these doors. Check this out. This gold inlay actually was routed into a custom door, so this is not something that you could purchase somewhere. So when you come in here, just in general, the basement just has such a good vibe. It feels so good and so nice. Super proud of this design and the way everything came out.